Good morning, dear students. How are you all? So, dear student, this is the second video of class 11, and in this video, we will talk about the organic compounds and functional group with the structure. You can see, dear student, here some of the organic compounds are given: alkene, alkyne, thiol, alcohol, ethers, primary amines. Okay, these actually ethers, primary amines. You can see here this primary amines, there is a linkage, that means through this R is the alkyl chain, long alkyl chain can be actually linked with that one, and that it will give you the long chain organic compounds. Here you can see double bond is there, triple bond, sorry, this should be triple bond, thiol SH, and this one is ether. Okay, now so we can say that these are the organic compounds, and here the functional group, what will be the functional group present into this one: double bond, triple bond, thiol, divalent oxygen. Divalent oxygen means both of the side it can connect with R, and this side also R dash. Okay, now so amine RNS2, that you can connect CS3 instead of R, you can connect CS3. So that depends upon you, that what you want to take over here, or you want to take a long chain, then you can take CS2 CS2 CH3. It depends upon you, or instead of R you can take a long chain of this CS3 CH2 CH2 and then NS2. So that will come in the category of primary amines. Okay, amino group, that would be end with the amino group. Then after, you can see the nomenclature of organic compounds. There are two methods by which we can write the nomenclature of organic compounds. First one, common system. That common system means from where the compounds has been obtained, the source. Okay, urea, suppose it has been given by the F. Pollard, and that has got the name from the urine of mammals. Lots of organic compounds are there, they actually have kept their name on the basis of the source from which it has been obtained. Some of the organic compounds actually take the name of the scientist, name of the discoverer. Okay, now the next one is IUPAC system, and that I will teach you. That IUPAC system, if I will write IUPAC system, as it the full form of it would be: I means international, U union, P pure and applied chemistry. Okay, this one would be the IUPAC system, and in detail we will do about that one. Okay. Okay, so in this video we will talk about the IUPAC system, as the full form I have told you already: International Union Pure and Applied Chemistry. So dear student, this is one of the organization, treaty organization, where the different countries members actually sit to decide to give some of the organic compounds a name that has been accepted by the world. Okay, now so this is IUPAC system, and some of the organic compounds world root, if the organic compounds contains 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, or a number of carbon, then accordingly that one IUPAC has decided that on the basis of different number of carbon we can write the name of world root, and from that is the basis point, and that will give you a root from which that you can name according to their prefixes, according to their suffixes. So I will give you some of the world root name. If your organic compound, suppose some of the organic compound I am writing here: CS3, CS2, CS2, CS3. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 number of carbon is there. So if only one carbon would be there in the organic compound, so its world root can be written as meth. Okay, now C2 it, C3 prop, C4 but, C5 pen, C6 hex, C7 heft, C8 oct, C9 non, C10 deck. Till this I am giving you. After that, C11 undeck, C12 dodeck, trideck, tetradeck. You can write serially, but these number of carbon atoms comes again and again. Okay, as you have done in class 10 also. Okay, so as you know, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. If suppose I have to write the name of that long chain, straight chain, and it contains only 3 carbons, CS3, CS2, CS3. Okay, but you have to take in a IUPAC system. There would be something. First of all, word root would be there. Then suffix would be there. Okay, now this suffix can be primary suffix and secondary suffix, but right now it is the just starting of that naming the organic compound. So just primary suffix, with that we will do. Otherwise, word root, here you can also write prefixes, but it is a very simple one. CS3, CS2, CS3. So how many? Count the first of all, first nomenclature rule. Count the total number of carbon in your long chain. How many carbon is there? 3 carbon. So for 3 carbon, C3, what will be the word root? Prop. Okay, now? And then you have to check whether this carbon is bonded with other carbon and hydrogen with what bond? Okay, now covalent bonding, you know na? You also know that carbon and hydrogen every time gives single bond. Okay, now? So can I write this structure in open chain CH, 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 C, H, H, C, this one H, okay, CS3, CS2, CS3, okay na? Now, if a single bond would be there, then suffix for a single bond you will use as in, okay? For double bond, you will use as, in, and for triple bond you will use as yn. Okay now? So this is you have to understand. Now you can see prop is there and single bond is everywhere between the carbon and carbon. Between carbon and hydrogen, every time single bond would be there. Between carbon and carbon, single bond is there. So what would be that? You have to take this AN with this hyphen dash AN, and now you have to write equally together. So prop, these two will goes prop and combine together propane. It is very simple, no? Okay, it is very simple. Now I will give you some more double bond, triple bond organic compounds nomenclature in this video. You can take more example. C, double bond C. How many hydrogen would be there? For one carbon is a tetravalent atom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2. This one also, no? 6, 8. How it has formed? You know that carbon 1 electron, hydrogen 1 electron, hydrogen 1 electron. This carbon has 4 electron. 1, 2. This one, this one, this one. Okay, here this one. So 2, 3, 4 for this carbon. 2, 3, 4 for this carbon. This will share, mutually share. These all the concept you have done in class 10. Okay, now? So now it has formed like that one. So it has double bond, and how can you write the name? Count the total number of carbon for word root. 1, 2, 8 plus for double bond, what would be the ending as a suffix? In. Okay, now? So it in. Okay, ethene. Take for one example for triple bond. C H H H H. Oh, sorry. 3, 6 electron and 2 electron. 8 electron. 8 electron means it has completed its octet. It has also completed its octet, but only one hydrogen would be there. So count the total number of carbon in word root. It for triple bond, what I have told you earlier, Y and E. So what will you write? It, I. Okay, my dear student. Like that you can deal the number of questions. But if you have to do this question, see at the second position double bond is there, then you have to write the position also. You can make that one carbon and hydrogen satisfaction. For this one, 3 hydrogen have to be there. 1 2 3 1 4 2 2 4 2 1 3 1 hydrogen only, and for this one 3 hydrogen. So you have to write the position also. You have to give 1 2 3 4. It should get lowest position. From this side 1 2 3 4. No problem with that one. From any side you can take. What is the name of this organic compound? On the total number of carbon 4. So 4 4 bute. Bute plus at which position double bond is there? Second position. So 2 in, and together what will you write? Bute 2 in. Okay, now bute 2 in. This one is the answer. Or 2 butene you can also write. Okay, so you have to write the position in these cases where the double bond is at the different position. Okay, in the class we will discuss more about this one. Thank you for this video. Thank you all of you.